Today we learn about how to fix Binance login problem on your Android phone. So this problem occur due to the different types of reason. So let's start it. First of all, open Play Store. Open Binance app and check for updates. If update is available, then you update Binance app and again open Binance app and check login issue is solved or not. If still it is not working or you cannot log in your account, then you go to the settings, click more settings, open app manager. Here is the apps that is installed on my mobile. So open Binance app, click permission, allow all the permissions. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you open Binance app again and check login issue is solved or not. If still it is not working or you cannot log in your account, then the last solution is click storage, click clear cache and clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, login issue is solved and you easily login in your account. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.